Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can deploy apps with Rork. So first things first, you want to head over to the official website of Rork, and from here you then want to locate your project, or in my case I'm going to start from scratch. So I'm going to create a simple mobile application, create a tic-tac-toe game, hit on enter, and from there you also want to make sure that you have signed in to an account. And from there, the way to deploy our applications on Rork is to simply click on the publish button. Now from here, you just want to click on the publish button, and basically with that, we have successfully deployed our application with Rork. So just wait for the page to load, then copy the URL right here, and basically right after that, you just want to enter the URL and hit on the enter button, and from there you have successfully deployed the application. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.